Okay guys, so welcome back to Zenthryx AI, and in today's video we'll be discussing Miko AI. Now, if you haven't checked out the perps trading platform before, you're not familiar with it, I do recommend to check out my video on the platform itself, which does introduce you to the platform and into perps trading, shows you how to use it and what you can expect from the platform. So if you're not familiar with it, go check out that video, which does introduce you to everything. In this video, we'll be focusing primarily on the Miko AI side of things. But if you're not familiar with the platform, check it out, links in the description to that video. But in today's video, we'll be discussing the Miko AI side of things, which I'm really interested and excited to tell you guys about, because if you look at institutional trading, you have whole teams, tools to support one trader, and in the retail space, that's not the case. Sometimes we're on an island by ourselves trying to tackle the markets head on, which can be very difficult and can be quite daunting. And this Miko AI analyst can provide you with a bit of guidance, provide you with some extra confidence in your trading, whether you're starting off or you've already got a bunch of experience. So with this tool, it does analyze risk, analyze market sentiment. It will provide you support and resistance levels to trade from, and will provide you an actual setup which you can actually trade and follow yourself. So there's a lot of components to this AI analyst, and it does help speed things up, makes things a bit easier, and just give you a bit more confidence for your setups as well, whether you're going to follow the setups outright or just look at it in terms of as an idea hub to help kind of find setups and make things a bit easier, make your life as a trader a bit easier. But with this AI analyst, at the moment, only does provide setups on the larger cryptocurrencies where there's a lot of data, smaller cryptocurrencies where there's not enough data to actually provide the necessary information for the analysis. The AI agent won't be able to provide us adequate analysis there, but in the future that could change, and when we add other instruments as well, we'll be able to get analysis for those instruments. But at the moment, big cryptocurrencies like BTC, Ethereum, Doge, you can find analysis and it'll provide setups as well for those. Now with the AI analyst, if you just click on the Miko AI and then click Get AI Analysis, this will then run the AI agent. It will start to do its analysis and it'll spit out some information for you. Now, it would either be bullish, bearish, or neutral, aka hold. So it will provide you with a bullish setup, a bullish idea, a bearish setup, or it would say neutral, there's not enough sentiment, there's not enough of an idea here to actually go long or short. So it will provide you with information and reasoning behind it as well, which is a key component of the tool. So this is the analysis I just did on Doge. So if we quickly go back quickly, because I want to show you that you have to make sure you do click the chart you want the analysis for. So I click Doge, this is the Doge chart, and then I'll click Miko AI, then Get AI Analysis. So it'll take about 30 seconds to a minute to analyze, but it will spit out information regarding risk, as I said, market sentiment, support and resistance levels, and actual trading setups. But if the AI agent deems the market to be neutral, of course, it would just say hold and not actually provide you a setup, which is quite important as well, because you don't want to be taken buy opportunity, sell opportunity just because you want to. If there's nothing there, you do want to make sure that you are staying put. So this is the summary that it does provide. At the moment, it's very heavy on the text, but we are looking to update and provide more advanced versions, something a bit more visual as well, so do stay tuned for that. But you can see here it says the dollar is currently stable with a slight uptrend, the market sentiment is positive, and the technical indicators suggest a balanced position between bulls and bears. So it's quite neutral at the moment here. Risk assessment, medium. The risk is medium due to the current stability of the price and positive market sentiment. However, the proximity of the price to support levels and lack of strong bullish signals elevate the risk slightly. 24-hour prediction of price, neutral confidence 75%. So it's very neutral right now. It does provide still support and resistance levels to trade from, but you can see the current setup there. Currently the market is in a sideways trend with no clear trade signal. It is prudent to wait for a clear directional bias to emerge from either a strong price movement or a shift in technical indicators. So there is no setup to trade here. The setup is to basically hold and wait for something actionable to actually trade. Let's say if you go take a look at BTC, I'll click the BTC chart, click the Miko AI, then click Get Analysis. So of course, we just did Doge, now it's analyzing BTC in the same format, provide support resistance levels. It will provide a setup if it is bullish or bearish. Of course, if it is neutral for BTC as well, it won't give us an actual setup for that as well. And if it deems it to be bullish, it will give us a bullish outlook or a bearish outlook if it is bearish. So this is the analysis for BTC at the moment. It's currently experiencing a slight uptrend with a 0.8 increase in the last 24 hours, positive sentiment. Risk assessment is high. The bearish indicators from the RSI and MACD and the potential volatility in the crypto market contribute to a high risk level. So you can see it's taken into consideration different components as well, different indicators as well. So it's not just a basic outlook or a basic analysis of a market. It's taken into account many different components and many different tools as well. 24-hour prediction, neutral confidence 75% as well. So again, here no clear trade setup exists, which is a very important part of trading. Don't just spit out buy and sell signals just because you want to trade. You want to make sure there's actually a clear setup there. So we're going to check out Ethereum here as well. Let's see what the outlook is for Ethereum. But we had a look at Dodge, had a look at BTC, both quite neutral. And as of course it said, no setup exists. And this kind of helps your trading because maybe you're looking at BTC, maybe you're looking at Dodge, you're doing analysis, you're not quite seeing much there, you're not quite seeing an opportunity. And you look at their AI analysts, see what their opinion is there. It says it's neutral as well. Well, that's a clear sign to maybe stay away from the charts and come back the next day. This is the analysis for Ethereum. You can see here slightly different. If we speed it up and look to the 4-hour setup, you can see there's actually a setup here. So this actually deems there to be an opportunity. There's a buy setup, so the market's quite bullish. This is your entry, your stop loss, your take profit. In the future, we'll actually plot this visibly on the chart. So you can see it in text and visibly as well. So you can see the setup kind of play out in real time. But given the bullish momentum indicated by the MACD, the price and the price trading above its moving average on the 4-hour chart, a buy signal is recommended. So you can see when there's something actually there, the AI analyst does provide you an actual setup as well. So I'm really excited about this part of the platform. Again, this is version 1. There'll be multiple versions, updates, and things will improve and get better as well. But already for what we have now, things are looking very, very bright at the moment, and the future is looking even brighter as well. So again, guys, if you haven't checked out the platform itself, go to the description. There'll be a link to the platform, which you can check it out yourself, get trading. You can, as long as you've got Solana or Ethereum wallet, you can connect it to the platform or even your email address as well, and you can begin trading straight away. But a lot more to come for Miko AI. And again, this is really adding another component to your trading. So it's not just you on that island. You have some other analysis, some other opinions, guidance to help you with your trading journey. So if you haven't enjoyed today's video, found it useful, please drop a like and check out other videos, which we'll leave in the description below for more information on the project. But hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.